Hello everyone. In today's sessions we are going to see how to set up the maximum number of days for the cancelling the document. In SAP Business One, user can cancel the document using the right click and cancel. System will allow to cancel the document if the document settings allows to cancel the document based on the posting date. It means that we have a setting on document settings general tab, maximum number of days for the cancelling the marketing document before or after posting. This is the number of days here I have mentioned is like the 15 days. So if I try to cancel this document, I will get the error message because the posting date of the document is exceeded more than the 15 days over. So if I want to cancel this document, or I want to allow user to cancel this document on the company settings or the document setting, then I need to go back to the settings and set to the blank. So let's see the demo in SAP Business One. I go to the administrations, system initialization and document settings, and you can see here I have the value as a blank here. So I will try to cancel the invoice document, and I click to the cancel. You can see I able to do the cancellation of the AR invoice. But if I have the value here to 15 days and updated the document settings, then again go back to the document and try to cancel the document, then I will have the error message. Thanking you very much